Stumbled on an LBK file from a legacy Lotus SmartSuite installation? This is a label design file from a once dominant office productivity platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and convert these Lotus Approach label files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the LBK format. Details below. LBK files are label design files created by Lotus Approach, a database management application within the IBM Lotus SmartSuite Office Productivity package. They contain label layout templates with field mappings, merge configurations, and formatting specifications for printing database-driven mailing labels and other label formats. Lotus Approach LBK files use a proprietary format, storing label sheet dimensions, individual label size and spacing specifications, database field placement positions, font, and formatting definitions and print configuration parameters. The format was designed for creating Avery-compatible label layouts from Approach database records. Lotus Approach, developed by IBM, is often used as the source validator for LBK. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows may display the document, but complete editing features require a compatible application. To unlock the specific LBK file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Lotus Approach is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If you cannot access the LBK file, no problem. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your LBK file is not opening. First, opening in Lotus Approach. If you have Lotus SmartSuite, installed Launch Lotus Approach and open the LBK file through the label design interface. The label layout displays with field placements and formatting. Connect to the associated database to preview merged label output with actual record data populating the field placeholders. Next, migrating to modern software. Since Lotus SmartSuite is discontinued, migrate label designs to Microsoft Access or LibreOffice base. Recreate the label layout using the mail merge or label wizard in your modern database application. Export the Approach database data to CSV format first, then import into the new application's label merge workflow. Finally, printing labels today. For immediate label printing needs, export your Approach database to CSV and use a dedicated label application like Avery Design and Print or the mail merge feature in Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer. Configure the label stock dimensions to match your original LBK layout and map database fields to label positions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.